How to add social bar to your Wix Studio. So what you can do is head over and then click onto this plus icon right here, which is our add elements section. Now from in there, it should be able to show you in here all of the elements that should be able to be added. Now from in there, just click on this embed in social. And once you have clicked on that, you can see in here some suggestions. Just click onto this social and you can see in here the social bars. Now just choose the social bar option that you would want. For example, for this one, I'll choose in here this colorful one and then I'll just drag it right here wherever I want it added onto my website. Now, once I have done that, it will load for a few seconds in order to reflect the actual logo of those, and you can see in here this. Just click onto this set social links in order to set the Instagram or the social links on your website. So we have Instagram right here, we have Facebook, you can input right here the link, as well as X, LinkedIn, YouTube, and as well as TikTok. Once you're done, click onto this done option, it should be able to be added. So that's how you add social bar to your Wix Studio. Hope we helped.